Hello, all the student and guardian. Welcome to the grammar village. English is the key to success of our life. Remember, never forget it. Okay, so আমরা আগের যে ভিডিওগুলো করেছি তারই ধারাবাহিকতায় আজকে আমরা নতুন একটি অক্ষর নিয়ে কথা বলবো, সেটা হলো ভি। What is the sound of V? V, 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 V. What is the sound of V? V, V, V. Yes. Okay. Now I will show the picture word with the V. So what can be? What? Vampire. B for B, B for vampire. Vampire. B for B and B for B. B vampire. B vampire. B vampire. B vampire. Okay, understand? Yes, vampire কি করে? রক্ত খায়. So dangerous. Be careful. Okay? Yes. So what is the next? Wow. What? V for B, buffer, vulture. B for B, buffer, vulture. B vulture. B vulture. V for B, buffer, vulture. V for V, buffer, vulture. So what next? Vehicle. B for B, buffer, vehicle. Beep beep. B for B, buffer, vehicle. V for V, buffer, vehicle. So what next? Wow. Violin. V for V, V for violin. V for violin. আমারও পড়ানো যাহা চাই। V for B, B for violin. V for violin. Okay? Yes. What is the next? Wow. Huge vegetable. V for B, V for vegetable. B vegetable. V for B, B for vegetable. The vegetable. The vegetable. Yes? Yes. Now I will give revision. So what? V for B, B for vampire. B for B, V for vulture. V for V, V for vehicle. The vehicle. The violin. The violin. The vegetable. The vegetable. That's all. Okay. Bye.